Hey, hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this apple glass effect in Figma step by step. It's quite easy to do. Let's get started. So first step is quite simple. Create a frame, give it a fill, then give a border radius. Now give the fill color some opacity 3%, and then give it a effect. Select inner shadow, give it -1, X position, Y position -1, to blur, and then white color. You can play with these values always. Once again add a inner shadow and give it a +1 in Y axis also. Blur 2, play with the color, add a white color. So frame is ready. Now give it one more effect, and this time it will be simple blur, background blur. Give it a 1000 value, or let's play with something else. 1000 was too much, let's give it simple 8. Now create one more shape. Now this shape, give it a white color and give it a 5 as opacity. Go to effect, then select here texture. In texture, give it a size 100, and then give it a radius 10. Now simply once again add a effect, and here we'll add a background blur. Increase the background blur value. So here you can see now you have that, increase this effect or decrease the effect. Go to texture, and you need to play with these values. By playing with these radius values and sizes, you can play with it. Now just simply select this frame which we have created, add it inside the frame which we created previously. I'll just increase the size of it, and here we go. We have apple glass kind of effect here. So it's quite easy to build.